Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be reviewing this Lanmodo Vast M1 Night Vision Dash Cam. A link to this will be included in the video description. Lanmodo has also provided me with a coupon code for $50 off. The code is LMD4DIYERS, all in caps. This is rated at 0.0001 lux, meaning it can see in almost zero light. Lux is defined as the amount of light needed to see a picture. It has a viewing distance of 948 feet, 75-degree view angle, and an 8-inch color screen. The version I have has one forward camera, however you can add an additional camera for a rear view. It comes with a micro SD card, can monitor your vehicle while parked, has collision detection, and can record sound. With this particular model, included in the box is a USB drive and detailed instructions on how to set it up and operate the camera. We have a wide range of accessories including the camera. This includes a suction cup for the windshield, which has a built-in swivel, a couple different screwdrivers to fasten the components together, the night vision camera with cable, a dash mounting pad, an OBD2 port connector, the other additional screwdriver with fasteners and mounting brackets, a 12-volt outlet power cable, and finally another glue-on swivel. And here is the large viewing screen. It's slightly larger than a rearview mirror. This can be mounted on the rearview mirror, on the dashboard, or using the suction cup mount. As you can see, it does have a clean exterior finish with a slim design. The cable on the bottom has a 12-volt power port and 2 camera ports. Along the top you can see there is a power button, a menu button, buttons to scroll through the menu, and a button to toggle between the front and rear cameras. The bottom has a threaded mount, as shown by the screw. In the settings, the image can be rotated 180 degrees to match your mounting setup. Before installing the camera on your vehicle, it's always important to ensure your windshield is properly cleaned so it has no distortion on the image. For this video, I'll be mounting the screen on the rearview mirror. For this, 2 brackets will need to be fastened to the rear of the camera. These only fit on in one orientation. There are screw holes already pre-made in the screen case. The brackets will have tabs which lock into the rear slots. Using the supplied screws and screwdriver, fasten on the mounting brackets. When done, install the supplied rubber straps. This will wrap around the rearview mirror, holding it in place. This can be easily removed and installed in a matter of seconds, depending on your preference. Back in the truck, fasten the screen onto the rearview mirror. These straps have adjustments so they can fit a wide range of rearview mirrors. Depending on your preference, the screen can be flipped 180 degrees and the wires can be ran up along the headliner and down the pillar trim. Next is installing the camera. I found it's best to install it on the highest possible point for maximum viewing angle. The mount does have a swivel so you can adjust the camera as needed. Then plug in the camera wire. Last but not least is installing the power cable. Your vehicle may have multiple 12-volt power ports. If you are using the camera to monitor your vehicle while it's parked, make sure that power port is live when the key is removed. A demonstration using the screen features. On the far left is the power button. When the port is automatically turned on with the ignition switch, the camera will turn on and immediately start recording. Next to the power button is a function to switch between the rear or front view cameras. After that is a menu button, followed by the up and down arrows, and finally a selection button. The user options are fairly straightforward. There isn't many menus, just one menu. Going into the menu features, you can see we have the option to record video and audio, time recording, brightness, G-sensor sensitivity, installation, system time, video playback, language settings, and format the memory card. A nighttime demonstration. Here I'm using my iPhone 13, so you're able to see the difference between the road and the dash cam. I live in a small town in the country, so it's extremely dark at night as there is minimal streetlights. With the camera being mounted on the rearview mirror, its screen is easily viewable without taking your eyes off the road. This is intended to be an assist and not fully dependent on something like this. The camera is great if you have trouble seeing at night or you're wanting a bit of extra safety during your nighttime commutes. The This will help you see any obstacles on the road, any dangers, or even any animals which may potentially jump out in front. In the truck, I am toggling between the high and low beams as well as turning off the lights while running the daytime running lights. The lens has an f1 aperture, maximizing the amount of light entering the camera. It also features a Sony CMOS low light image sensor. The video output is 1080p. The DSP with the advanced image filtering technology allows the video to be crisp and clear, and the 8-inch screen is plenty large enough where it's easily viewable while not creating a blind spot for the driver. This camera supports up to 128 gigs of storage. That's enough to store 28 hours of footage. It's able to withstand temperatures from 158 degrees Fahrenheit or 70 degrees Celsius to -4 degrees Fahrenheit or -20 degrees Celsius. So it's great for a wide range of climates. And finally, here's some of the safe footage between the night and daytime driving. The camera can be easily removed and transferred to another vehicle if required. The system is based to run off 12 volts, however they do offer a voltage converter to run off 24 volts. Overall, I have to say this is a great camera for anyone wanting an extra safety feature in their vehicle as well as monitoring your vehicle or someone else's driving. Have you purchased this product in the past? Please be sure to share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, it's a huge help to me. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.